When Magento is instantiated, the object manager receives a copy of the environment, that is, the $_server superglobal PHP variable. This array of environmental values might be enriched or changed, depending on how the Magento application is bootstrapped. Once the environment has been passed into Magento during the bootstrapping process, it is then referred to as init parameters. The environment is often used as a source of configuration values for applications such as Magento. In our code, we could simply read the respective values out of the environment directly, but it's nicer to be able to supply a required value to a class instance via constructor injection. To configure an init parameter value as a constructor argument in di.xml, we need a constant with the name of the init parameter. Then we specify the XSI type, init parameter, and the constant name as the node value. Here in the example module, there's a class constant init argument name on the example object class. It refers to a common Unix system environment variable named pwd, which has the value of the present working directory. Because this variable is present in the environment, it's also passed to Magento when it is bootstrapped as an init parameter. We can't use the name of the environment variable in the di.xml directly. This is wrong. We need a constant that refers to it instead. The constant could be on any class, or it could even be a global constant, and it doesn't have to be on the class that receives the parameter. In this case, the example object class was just a convenient place to put it. So to summarize, our di.xml init parameter argument refers to a class constant, and then the class constant refers to the environment variable pwd. Let's instantiate the example object to test if everything works as expected. And there we go. This wraps up the topic of di.xml type argument configuration.